What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So it's that time again. We're going to go over my crypto portfolio and talk about everything that we really need to know about how much I plan to make within this portfolio, how much I currently have, how that growth is going to happen throughout what different positions it's going to happen with, and all of that. So make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to start trading on Margex, you can short-term trade on Margex, you can long-term trade on Margex. Feel free to use my link down below for that platform. But let's talk about my crypto portfolio. Again, I made a video just to kind of, preface this video. I made a video last month, which was 4 weeks ago, about my entire $59,000 portfolio that will make $5 million in 2030 or by 2030. Now we're going to go through how this has kind of changed since that last month, price wise as well as investment wise, and then we'll go through how much we plan to make within this, as we do see this bull run happening. So again, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button. But if we go through I'm just going to show you my Coinbase portfolio because all my, cryptocurrencies are pretty much everywhere. So, whether it's an Uphold or Coinbase or crypto.com or Kraken, I'm not including Kraken in this list because that's my standard, like, random portfolio challenge that I've done, so I'm not really including that. But we do understand that that is a part of me holding crypto, but it's not a part of this entire crypto portfolio. So I'm just going to show you guys Coinbase because that's the easiest, that's the best way to show you guys mainly almost everything, at least half of it. So currently, my Coinbase portfolio is sitting at about $32,373.81. You can see here I have my largest investment is XRP, then Jasmy Coin, then you have Krill, and you have Harvest Finance. Over this last month, I did add AVAX to the list. I now added over $2,000 worth of AVAX to the list, which is fantastic. I also added a little bit of Teller to the list, and I have newly added Bitcoin, which I have never really been a huge fan of, and I still am not a big fan of it. I'm just in it for one, the nostalgia reasons, and then also the store value, right? Obviously, that's the way that you would really invest into it and treat it like it's gold. So that's why I have invested into it. I do have Anchor, Cosmos. I am probably going to invest more into API 3. I really like that position and how it moves and everything that it's about. But and everything else after that, we have lower amounts here, whether it's HBAR or CRO or PundiX or whatever, right? So that's my Coinbase portfolio. Now, let's go into my Excel spreadsheet so you guys can get a better breakdown of absolutely everything. So if I go into my Excel spreadsheet, you're going to see that I have Lunic, I have CRO, Jasmy, ADA, Lucky's Leprechaun, I have Grok, KRL, Farmcoin, XRP, Elmo, Shib, Atom. So I have a lot of different positions that are here. If you have anything that you hold that I hold, please let me know in the comment section below, and we can bond over it. So if we currently look at all of these now, I may have the prices that may be wrong. I tried to update those prices and update the share counts and what I have. The highest amount, if I go ahead and sort this by largest to smallest, we would see XRP with the highest amount at $10,000 that I have invested in there. Then you have CRO that's next on the list with $9,000. Then you have Lucky's Leprechaun, which is sitting at $6,000. That has just recently actually picked up in price. Lunic is sitting around $5,300. Jasmy Coin, $5,000 as well. You have Krill that's at 3,700. Grok that's at 2,900, which I'm at a significant loss on that one right now, but it's not a loss until you sell it. Farmcoin 2,000, AVAX 2,000, ADA 2,000, right? And you see how that has moved along. This is my entire portfolio and everything that I am holding. I may have missed maybe a couple of things, but that's my entire portfolio. I did have, again, some of the newer positions that I haven't tracked on this list. Beam was one of those. Also seeing, again, BTC and also having AVAX on this list. I did add a little bit to TRB, so now I have 10 TRB. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Still have 10 Sol. at a value of $100, which is $1,000 overall. But if we scroll down here and we look at how much this is worth, let me go ahead and change the color of this to my entire crypto portfolio is worth $59,000 again. After all of those changes and all those adjustments, it's $59,000 again. You're probably like, how, right? You added more to it. Well, the overall cryptocurrency market came down. The last time we had a breakdown of my portfolio, you saw Jasmy coin that was at 60 to 64% of a penny, which would have been $6,000, $1,000, $1,400 above this point where we are right now. You saw Terra Luna Classic that was at a higher point. It was at like 0.00014. We saw CRO that was at a higher point, which honestly it is listed at a high point right now, which it should be even a little bit lower. It might even be a lower portfolio size. Again, the prices may not be completely accurate here. You have XRP that's sitting at that level of 50 cents when it was up to 64 and almost 70 cents, right? Yes, I did add more XRP, so nevertheless, it's still higher than what I had invested in there from the last time we talked about this. But then even, things like Caspa was up to about 11 cents and it's down to 10 cents here, right? Or a little bit less than 10 cents. You have, Bitcoin that was up to, well, I didn't really hold Bitcoin at that point, but you get the gist, right? You get what I'm saying is that we saw a decrease in the prices, and that's why I sit at $58,000 or $59,000. Now, I did want to show you what the projected numbers are. So if we go ahead and unhide this, we would have the expected values of where I believe they're going to increase to. Again, this is all speculative, right? So basically saying that with my level that it does get to, if I decide to sell at those levels, I would end up making $8.2 million. And the reason why it has gone up with the same amount, the same balance, is that certain things have more of a balance. And those things I believe in a lot more and see the future a lot more. So as I have, instead of 10,000 XRP, I now have 20,000 XRP. That obviously doubles the amount that I could receive in there. Grok, we're looking at, instead of 400,000, I'm now looking at 1,000,000 Grok that's there. So the overall expectation is a lot higher. And you could see that accounts for $4 million of that $8 million. So it's definitely, you have to take everything with a grain of salt. Would love to be able to get there. I'm not banking on getting there. If I can make $1 million from all of this stuff, I will be insanely happy. If I can make $500,000 from all of this, I would be insanely happy, because that's the largest amount short term that I've ever made. Long term is I've made a lot there, but that would be the largest amount short term that I have ever made in holding certain positions. And hopefully it is a long-term play, but I classify, the short-term plays as anything that you're going to sell within retirement age. That's what I classify it as. But for tax purposes, I classify long-term and short-term differently, because I'm trying to get the least, or pay the least amount of taxes there in what I am, doing. Either way, that's my portfolio. Turning 59,000 into 8.2 or almost 8.3 million dollars would be amazing. Not banking on it, take it all with a grain of salt, but it would be absolutely amazing. But guys, if you could, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you guys want to check out any of the links down below for Margex, for Twitter, for TikTok, for anything that I have in the description, I would appreciate it. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.